get a new item, an electronic item or whatever, there is a small manual that has a page that says do's and don'ts. So you have got these expensive vehicles. So there are things that to be done and things that are not to be done. Make sure they're utilized properly for the purpose they are being donated to. WHO has done their part. They have given us these vehicles. They have done a marvelous job. I was so impressed when I looked what changes they made to these vehicles. Now it's our responsibility to make sure they're used for the purpose they are being handed over to us. Use them properly and make sure they're maintained properly. We get very nice vehicles, very nice equipment, and in a year's time they are in shambles. There is no maintenance. We use it roughly. So whenever you're handed over these things, just consider that they are your property. Take care of them just like they're your property. And they have been given to us for patient care. And there is a nice OPD, there is examination couch, there are cupboards, medicines, there's a toilet, just like our OPD. And I said I'm going to take it to Chitral. I'll probably be the first one to use it.